In this solve-along video, we will use the quadratic formula in solving for x. Given this example, the first thing you need to do is to move everything on one side. We do this because the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And the quadratic formula is based on the standard form of quadratic equations. The quadratic formula is defined as x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now that we have moved everything on the left side, we now identify the values of the coefficients a, b, and c. Simply substitute these values into the quadratic formula. We now have to do basic arithmetic to evaluate x and find the results we are looking for. And oh, be careful with that plus minus sign, as it indicates that there are two values of x. Let's evaluate the first x. Simplifying 14 plus 26 divided by 30 is equal to 4/3. Now, the second x. Simplifying 14 minus 26 divided by 30 is equal to negative 2/5. Pretty simple if you know how to correctly use the quadratic formula, right? If this helped you, then like this video and subscribe to teach me animated math. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or if you want to request a solve-along video, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video!